Hey, 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 wild urban gardeners. I want to bring you a special report. My neighbor Barb, who is amazing with plants, she has rescued at least 50 tomato plants from a certain death. Yes, they had been abandoned at the farm center, and they were left to die in the hot sun. And so she brought them home. So when she first brings them home, this is what the poor little babies look like. They're nearly dead. They got no leaves. They're like dying of thirst. And then so she takes them in, and she takes care of them. And in a very, very short amount of time, they start looking like this. Check out that new leaf. Check out those blossoms. These plants are coming back, and they come back so fast. Kind of like us humans, they're resilient. Little bit of care, little bit of what they need, little bit of room to grow, some food, some sunshine. They're gonna be okay. So, be like Barb. Go ahead and rescue stuff. You'll be amazed at what you get back. Take care, wild ones. Love y'all.